above the physiological threshold. And then we have hypnosis. Hypnosis is basically, our brain oscillates in different brain waves. You have the alpha, beta, delta, and theta. Hypnosis is basically when the brain transitions from the alpha or the beta to the theta or the deep delta state, where all actions become involuntary, making the subject susceptible to outside influence.
Yeah, suggestion and all that.
Suggestion, right. And then neuro-linguistic programming, often used interchangeably with natural language processing because they both consist of the same abbreviation, NLP. But natural language processing is like it's a multidisciplinary discipline. It's a correlation between computer language and linguistic models. Now, neuro-linguistic programming basically is a correlation between neurological processes, linguistic models, behavioral patterns, and the human experience. So what do they all share in common? They are all capable, they are all a form of subliminal influence. Now, subliminal in and of itself is information that bypasses below the psychological threshold. So you may look at, let's say a prime example is a FedEx logo. But FedEx logo have like a sacred geometric shape ingrained in the logo. Now, your conscious mind is incapable of seeing that, right?